Kaya FM 95. What were you saying about Panyaza?
Oh, bangithi uPropanyaza bathi ubhizi ngekolo manje ikolo ziya circumcise mara kwenziwani kule country. Bathi kunesikolo sathi abantwana bengaka 40 banyamalala babuya seba amadoda. Baye esikoleni baba. Hamba mfanami, yes, hamba mfanami. Esikoleni ne baba makabuya. Hawu baba. So, yonke into down. Upanyaza uthi kahle ikero zenzani le esikoleni. Ngathi bathatha u-t-shirt eyi-1. Khengeza ngapha. Yeah. Vus ngasomdala uza ngapha. No umntwana abanyamana no-t-shirt. T-shirt yakhipha ngifuna something.
Skumba.
Isendabeni. Why nithi skumba? Isendabeni. Abantwana 40 yabo la. Ngene buyendlini. Ngangiphakeli namhlanje. Yini wena? Ngisalala phansi. Uphuma sena umfana soyindoda la ya. Wena lalela. Mathiriso ngena. Mama, umfazi wami. Hey, mhlolo. Upanyaza uthi stop it. Angeke siba amadoda sonke kule country. Yazi upanyaza ubuthwele ubunzima laba babesithiko. Ubuthwele. Lalela wavala i-road border ngithi.
Yeah.
For a whole month. Hayi because bekathanda walahla ikhiya. Ngithi uye bekakhiya egate ni. Wathi hey. Ikhiyaza lesikolo ziko. But it's full of blood. No, you're not ready. Lungisana indaba zenu nyeza ni. Baby. Awuzange ubone ikhiya. Walahla ikhiya zekar bro. Endlini kwakho.
All the time.
Can you imagine ulahla ikhiya zesikolo? The whole school. Baby. And uyazi abafazi bethu abasithandi yini? Ikhiya, zange ubone ikhiya. Hayi umntwana bekadlala ngekhiya. Hey! Thoko, wozala. Hawu uzombe novusa uthe bayo msakama. Bende circumcision wrong. Yazi le country le. Cabanga labantwana laba baphuma kuseni esikoleni ngesikhaftini. Umuntu uyabuya phethe mamphethe inkukhu ephila out yangu ufuna sihlamba. Yini ngomsebenzi. Songindoda. Uyindoda kabani? Cabanga crash. Sifuna umtoko ne-razor ne. Ale country ngikreni ngayo.
Trees must fall.
Nomtoko must fall. Sijalo mistress. Hey. Ale country. Sorry, brother. Hey, Tada. So.
Oh, lakada.
Hey, Tada.
We're talking school trips today.
Oh,
remember?
Oh, man.
Flashback.
Yep.
Exactly. And on my top 10, we have the group called Thanks.
Thanks. As in THANK.
No. THENX.
Okay.
They are a parody group, very comical.
Oh, Lord.
And they make social commentary through songs and theater.
Oh, like remember that guy, Weird Al Yankovic, who turned Michael Jackson's Beat It into Eat It?
Yeah.
Madonna's like a virgin to like a surgeon.
Recently on their Facebook page, they released their Fees Must Fall parody song. It is the nicest thing you can ever hear.
All right.
But anyway, they're here for my top 10. Yeah.
Oh, so bachinja ingoma zabantu basenza zibe nice. Njengomkharim wathatha ingoma itsiritsiri guzungu manje Sister Bettina. Hey Mary. Oi. Oh boy. Mana babothi vele umkharim akekala sekule industry. Bomoto lo uyaphapha lo. Yebere but ubani lo? Ngoma yakhe wonke umuntu unayo le ngoma. Ngekho wathenga CD. Bayithengisa manje music CD like R250.
Yes sir.
Tour alhambi. Mawuphuma akhalanga suphe something. Mami hayi yo linjena. Ubusaba kamkharim uyambona ngathi uzophuma ku cover kubamba inkunzi uhleli kanje. U-CD cover.
I'm really curious about we got in the studio, we found this plastic bag here. Nobody wants to touch it.
Oh, Skumba touched it.
Sorry.
That's why I took a picture because I want to share it with Abu
No one wants to touch this thing.
Now we must understand and try and find out
but you know,
which Kaya FM presenter brought a black plastic bag that no one wants to check. Yeah, FM 95.9. Good music, good friends, and it's 8:50. Yeah, what a country, what a weekend, what a week. I mean, Skhumba is launching his show today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was doing for the mere fact that my show is sold out doesn't mean I didn't have to go and push it.
Yeah.
I went to several radio stations. I went to Tubotage. He said I must give him a shout out because he gave you a shout out saying, you know, Pop, me and Bob come a long way. Radio Pop, Bongeko in both states. You know what you and Bob doing right there? It's powerful, man. That's most of the Tubotage. We are vegan. How do you do? Like, if I'm like a river, I can survive. So did. Only Pam English show. Just shoot us, don't shoot us.
You know, so Oscar might be going back, eh?
No, it won't happen, Bob.
You don't think so?
They're just wasting
I
our
think
time.
Oscar's going back.
I think so too.
You think so?
His legs won't carry this one.
Whoa! Oh. Hey, man, are you firing me? Okay.
I wonder what. Baba, see Zoglanda food. Food, but come on in, yeah. We are saying, listen to them.
So they lost the kidney that was supposed to go
that's
to a
what they
patient,
say.
and the patient was waiting for this kidney.
What happened was this cancer patient had his kidney removed so they
Yes.
can track the cancer and how to treat it.
Yeah.
And after his operation, he was told the kidney's gone.
Where was this?
In Durban, the Netcare St. Augustine Hospital.
So, Sidinda baby. Kwenzakalani? Iphaphi lakho lahleke. Asazi lithando ba. Bese kunobhuta ukuthi nenhle njani? Lahleka kanjani? Litho njani? Lizambeni? Sakusho izitho zomzimba la. Thatha lam. Sikhipha kanjani?
Oh, shame, man. This is so too horrible.
Like kidneys. Oh, bro.
No, but that's just wrong.
No, man.
That's just wrong.
Asibeke kahle bro. Kungabi ngathi le kidney lahleke ePitori or eGaranko. Ilahleke eNatal. Abazulu aqalile ke.
Fake bondi.
Wazungikhalela. Pep, awunje wenzani emsebenzini? Sebenza ngeyibindi. Sebenza ngeyibindi nezinto. Hawu. Hey kukudala agcela isibindi. Yazi emsebenzini bravo emsebenzini unokuhlala nama DJ Tapop man this is my new song but play from Vistas play from Fingers amajita now pop ngipushela like that's what you do when you go to work emotions ama sweet in ube nama sweet usestero usebenza theater into take awungitshela wesibongo emsebenzini nenzani asebenza ngeyibindi baba sayikhipha nje igas sinika abanye abantu hawo ukuthi ungiphathe nje insonyana nje siyasiwosela nje nesithose nje weekend hlale nje siphuze kube mnandi sithokoze nje sisidle ibindi mana amazulu mlangazi kwenzakalani la yes yeah hey simnandi ube mnikazi bathi awukhona usakhwehlela hawo unesinye phakathi awuphinde phela awuphinde yazi ungaphela esibhedlela baloko bakutshontsha kancane umuntu akanazandla isandla limnandi lethambo left hand.
I knew you'd want to do this one. I knew you'd love this one, my brother.
Trying to take this time, Bob, and say thank you very much to everyone that bought tickets to my show. You guys showed me respect by doing that. I'm gonna show you the same respect by making you guys laugh, Shem. And yeah, there's a surprise. You might win something tonight. If you're coming to the show, no, Gucci, I've got something in store for you. Kuzoba mnandi country.